Question number 7. In the adjoining figure, seg PT is the bisector of angle QPR. Angle QPR. See, we know that if PT is the bisector of angle QPR, QPR is the full angle. So bisect. This angle is bisected by PT. Bisect means what? Cutting in exact half. So this full angle is divided into two equal parts. So we can say that Q angle QPT and angle RPT, this both the angles are same, equal measures. Next, a line through R and parallel to seg PT. A line through R. The line through R के थ्रू एक लाइन है, so which is parallel to PT and this line whatever passing through R, these two are parallel, intersect the ray QP at point S. These both the lines are intersecting the ray QP ray means it goes continuously till S. So what to prove here? PS is equal to PR. PS equal to PR. These two are equal. This is the aim to prove. So from where we will start? Bisector. So start the proof. Here in triangle PQR, ray PT bisects angle QPR. This is given in the question. So if it is bisector, you can say that angle QPT, this angle, and angle RPT are equal. Therefore, angle QPT is congruent to angle TPR. Consider this as equation 1. So next, here line PT and RS. Line PT and RS are parallel. See the statement given. A line through R. Line through R is SR and parallel to PT. SR is parallel to PT. So we will write line PT is parallel to line RS. This is also given in the question. So if we will consider these two are parallel and this as transversal, it comes like this: two lines parallel and one transversal. So what happens? These two angles are congruent. Is it? Angle P and angle corresponding angles we can say. So here this is P, this is S, this is T, R. PT and SR are parallel and QS is the transversal. So I will mention the transversal also. On transversal QS, see if these two are, this is the parallel, these two are parallel and QS is the transversal, angle QPT and angle QSR, or we can say PSR, angle QPT and angle PST, these two are corresponding angles and these are congruent. Therefore, angle QPT is congruent to angle PSR. Consider this as equation 2. Reason: corresponding angles theorem. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, see here left side QPT, here also QPT, here also QPT. So if left sides are equal, right sides also equal, we can say, correct? So from equation 1 and 2, and one more thing we have to take. See, if these two are parallel, first thing this as transversal, is it? And next one more set we will take. If these two are parallel and PR as transversal, we will get one more set of congruent angles. See, again I am showing PT is parallel to SR, and if I will take PR as transversal, we will get alternate angles. So alternate angles are congruent, we can say, is it? So we write on transversal line PT parallel to line RS given, and on transversal PR, we can say that angle TPR is congruent to angle PRS. Angle PRS. Consider this as equation 3. What is this? Alternate angle theorem. Alternate angles theorem. So in triangle PSR, now focus on triangle PSR. This triangle, angle PSR and angle PRS, these two are equal from equation 1, 2 and 3. Why it is so? Just see, QPT is equal to QPT, so we can say that TPR is equal to PSR. So from equation 1 and 2, these two are equal. What is that? TPR, where it is TPR is equal to PSR. TPR and PSR are equal, and if TPR is equal to PRS, instead of TPR we can write PRS, correct? So better we take these two. First we will take equation from equation 1 and 2. In triangle, we will not write this PSR. Here from equation 1 and 2, what we can prove? QPT equal to QPT. So TPR. Therefore triangle angle TPR is congruent to angle PSR from equation 1 and 2. Consider this as equation 4. This will be easy method. First we will compare these two, then TPR equal to PSR. Consider this as equation 4. Next you compare 3 and 4. Now TPR equal to TPR, is it? So therefore therefore angle PRS is congruent to angle PSR from equation 3 and 4. Therefore in triangle PSR, now we focus on triangle PSR, angle PRS, angle PRS, this angle is congruent to PSR, this angle. These both are congruent. If two base angles are equal, we can say that sides also equal. Isosceles triangle theorem, correct? So therefore angle PSR is congruent to, I will write it again, this thing. In triangle PSR, these two angles are equal. Therefore we can say that sec PS is congruent to sec PR. Converse of isosceles triangle theorem. This is the proof whatever asked in the question.